Fe exhibit BCC structure at room temperature. At 900 degrees centigrade, it undergo transition to FCC structure. So, two structures are given, iron, BCC and FCC. The ratio of the density, to calculate the ratio of the density, that is important, ratio. So, density is equal to M into Z by A3 into N. So, to calculate the rho 1 by rho 2, rho 1 by rho 2, ratio of the density. Rho 1 by rho 2 is equal to M mass is constant. So, M into Z1 by A1 cube into N into, take the reciprocal, A2 cube N divided by M into Z2. So, the M, so both are same. N same. So, that is rho 1 by rho 2. So, here the crystal, first one BCC to FCC. So, BCC number of atom per unit cell is 2, here it is 4. Here the radius 4r is equal to root 3a, here 4r is equal to root 2a, FCC. That is very important. You mug up the formula or remember the formula. That is very important formula. 4r is equal to root 3a for BCC, 4r is equal to root 2a for FCC. So, here rho 1 by rho 2 is equal to Z1 BCC, number of atom per unit cell 2, divided by A 4r by root 3 the whole cube into, divided by, so take the reciprocal. Here 4r divided by root 2 the whole cube for FCC, total number of atom per unit cell 4. So, that is equal to 2 by 1 into, it is 2 by 1 into root 3 goes to the numerator, root 3 by root 3 the whole cube. So, root 3 into root 3 by 4r the whole cube. Here also 4r the whole cube divided by root 2 into root 2 into root 2, 4 by 1, that is 1 by 4. Here it is 4 by 1 taken as 1 by 4. So, 4 or 3, 4 root 3 cancel. So, here 2 into root 3 into root 3, 3, root 3 divided by root 2 into root 2, 2, this root 2, 2 root 2 into 4, that is 2, 2 cancel. So, the answer is 3 root 3 by 4 root 2, 3 root 3 by 4 root 2. So, once again, density, mass into number of atom per unit cell divided by edge length, that is volume, A cube into Avogadro number. Here the ratio of the density are calculated. Here also another important point is BCC to FCC. So, BCC to FCC, BCC number of atom 2. So, 2 divided by radius of the sphere and edge length. So, here 4r divided by root 3 the whole cube into, then FCC for number of atom per unit cell 4r by root 2 into the whole cube. So, 2 by 1, here it is, calculation is very important, 2 divided by 1, then denominator take the reciprocal. So that is root 3 divided by 4r the whole cube into 4r the whole cube and root 2 the whole cube. Root 2. Here it is 4 by 1. So 1 by 4. So 2 into root 3 into root 3, 3. So 3 into root 3 divided by root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 root 2 into 4. So this 2 or the 2, these 2 cancel, or this 2 and 4 are cancel. So 3 root 3 by 2 into 2, 4. 4 root 2. That is the correct option. That is C. Then 9th question. A solid with high electrical and thermal conductivity. This is simplest question. This is a non-metallic conductor. There is covalent bond, non-metal. So it is a metallic bond. It is ionic molecular solid, ionic solid. This is the hydrogen bonded solid. So which one has high electrical and thermal conductivity? Lithium. Then question number 10. A second order Bragg's diffraction of X-ray with wavelength is given 1 Armstrong unit. From a set of parallel planes in a metal occurs with an angle of 60 degree. The distance between the scattering of the plane in the crystal. So this is based on Bragg's equation. We know Bragg's equation, n lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. Here d is calculated. So d is equal to n lambda divided by 2 sin theta. That is equal to, here second order reflection. So the order of reflection is second. So 2 into 1 wavelength 1 Armstrong divided by 2 into sin 60. That is root 3 by 2. That is equal to 2 get cancelled. So 2 by root 3. So 2 divided by root 3, 1.73. So instead of 1.73, 1.7 is taken. Multiplied by 10 to get the whole number. So 20 by 17. 20 by 17. So one time 3 0, here put a point, then 1, that is 1.1. So around the answer is 1.17. So here a second order Bragg's diffraction of X-ray with the lambda value is given. Set a parallel metal occurs with the angle of 60, the distance. So n lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. D is equal to n lambda divided by 2 sin theta. So 2 into 1 divided by 2 into theta value sin 60 root 3 by 2. So the 2 get cancelled. So denominator root 3 by 2 is there. So take the reciprocal. So 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 is equal to 2 by 1.73. 2 by 1 by, so 1.73 is considered as 1.7. So in order to get whole number, multiplied by 10. So 20 by 17, or do directly. So 20 by 17, that is equal to 1.17. The 11th question. If A stands for the edge length of the cubic system, A stands simple cubic, body centered, face centered, the ratio of the radii of the sphere in this system will be ratio of the radii of the sphere, edge length related to radius of the sphere, SC. It is for simple cubic, SC, the answer is A is equal to 2R. BCC root 3 A is equal to 4R. FCC root 2 A is equal to 4r. That is, the values are already discussed in the previous class. So remember it. So here radius, the radius of the sphere ratio. So r is equal to a by 2. Here r is equal to root 3 a by 4. Here r is equal to root 2 a by 4. Then the ratio, that is equal to a by 2 is to root 3 a by 4 is to root 2 a by 4. So none of the answer is like this. So here the first two values are same. So second, third value, it is written as a by 2 is to root 3 a by 4 is to root 2 a by, so the 4 is taken as root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2 or 2 root 2 simply. R4 is root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2, or simply it is 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2 into root 2. That is root 2 get cancelled. So that is a by 2 is to root 3 a by 4 is to a divided by root 2 into root 2, 2. So 2 root 2. So the option is 1 by 2a, root 3a by 4, a by 2 root 2. That is first option. Then 12th, in a crystal, A atom in the corner, in that 25% is removed. B atom in the center of the face, in that 50% is removed. C atom in the edge, in that 75% is removed. D atom in the center, then the simplest formula. So here, A atom in the corner, A atom in the corner. So total number of corner atom 8. So in that 25% is removed. So 25 by 100. It is 4, 2. So 2 corner atom are removed here. 2 corner atom are removed. Remaining 6 into contribution 1 divided by 8. 3, 4. So A is A 3 by 4. So how to do? Total corner atom 8. 25% is removed. 25%. So 25 by 100. 4 divided, get A6. 2 atoms are only removed. So totally 8 atom. In that 2 is removed. So remaining 6. Contribution is 1 by 8. So A 3 by 4. Then B. Where the B atom is present? Center of the face. How many is face center? 6. How much percentage is removed? 50%. So 50 divided by 100. That is 2, 3. So totally 6 corner atom, 3 is removed. Remaining 3. Remaining 3. Contribution is 1 by 2. So B 3 by 2. Then C atom in the edge. Totally 12 edges are there. 12 edges. That is, all of them are deeply explained in the previous video. That is 12 C atom. 75% is removed. 75 by 100. That is equal to 3 by 4. 4 cancel. 3. So 3 into 3, 9. So totally among the 12, 9 is removed. That is important. Among the 9, 3, among the 12, 9 is removed. 3 into 3, 9 is. So remaining 3. Contribution is 1 by 4. So that is equal to C 3 by 4. D there is no change. That is the center, only one center, not share. So D1. So the formula is, now the formula is A 3 by 4, B 3 by 2, C 3 by 4, D 1. Then LCM 4. So multiplied by 4. So A 3 by 4 into 4, B 3 by 2 into 4, C 3 by 4 into 4, D 4. So the correct answer A 4 4 cancel, A 3 2, B 6, B 6, C 4 4 cancel, C 3, D 4. So the option is A 3, B 6, C 3, D 4. So A atom total corner 8, 25% is removed. So 2 is removed. Remaining 6. Contribution 1 by 8. B atom 6. Total phase 6. 50% is removed. So that is 3 is removed. Totally 6, 3 is removed. Then remaining 3. Contribution 1 by 2. C atom 12 edges are there. 75% is removed. 75%. So totally 3 to 3. 9 is removed. 9 is removed. Here 9 is removed. That is very important. 9. Among totally 12, 9 is removed. Remaining 3 into 1 by 4. So 3 by 4. D 1. Center is not shared. There is center. So A 3 by 4, B 3 by 2, C 3 by 4, D. Then LCM 4. It is multiplied by 4. So the correct option is A3, B6, C3, D4. So practice the problem. Then it is very easy. So practice, repeat and repeat. Thank you.